Hi, I'm Justin Moody, Project Manager for Astra Group, currently working on Place 800, which is located downtown, west end of Calgary. The project has just kicked off, so let's go check it out. The project consists of a 17-story office tower with a total area of approximately 205,000 square feet and introduces 204 rental suites of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units, and with a completion target of late 2026. We're on the floor where we're currently doing demolition, and as you can see, we're doing a wholesale change of the current mechanical and electrical systems to bring it in line with the new residential code requirements. We're on the 4th floor where we've started preliminary layouts of the suites. By doing this, we've been exploring different options for the bedrooms and the bathrooms to kind of open up these areas and get a better flow and better feel to the spaces. Now that we finalize this, we can actually move forward with all the other floors. Another item we're showcasing here at Place 800 and is our new facade and window system. We'll be putting on a completely new metal paneling system, different colors and profiles, and this will be our new insulated glazing unit window. This design approach aims to revitalize the building's exterior while contributing to the architectural diversity of Calgary's downtown core. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for upcoming and exciting updates.